Sobrang nipis ng laptop na to at sobrang gaan. So guys, may hawak tayo dito, Huawei MateBook X Pro. X Pro means this is one of their premium laptops. Paano ko sinabing premium laptop? Itsura pa lang. This is one of the high-end of Huawei laptops. It's because number one, yung kanyang display. More than an IPS, the resolution is 3000 by 2000, so the aspect ratio is 3 by 2. Normally kasi ang aspect ratio natin is 16 by 9 or 16 by 10. And tingnan nyo naman yung screen to border niya. Napakanipis na. Parang to make the story short, wala na masyadong border. At wala na yung camera niya kasi yung camera niya mismo nandito sa ilalim. So isang concern na nakita ko dito is this is an i5 11th Gen. To be honest, pagka 11th Gen niya doesn't really bother me. Napawaw talaga ako dito sa unit na to. But if you're in the budget type and gusto niyo premium laptop, bagay na bagay sa inyo to. And tingnan nyo naman sobrang nipis ng laptop na to at sobrang gaan. Sa sobrang nipis niya, ito na lang yung kanyang ports, dalawang Type-C sa audio combo jack, and dito sa kabilang side, isang USB Type-A. And kung bibili nyo to sa any Huawei store, ang SRP ito nasa around 80,000 pa. Pero dito sa Laptop Factory, bebenta lang natin to like half the SRP. Or baka mas mababa pa. In case that you're interested on buying this unit, available lang muna to sa main office natin. But we could actually deliver this on our branches. Kaya nga, basta Laptop Factory.